Hey, what's up everybody? It's your tech man, MKBHD, coming at you with the latest and greatest from Apple. Today we're diving deep into the iPhone 16 Pro Max, Apple's latest attempt to redefine the premium smartphone experience. Is it worth the hype? Let's find out. Apple has packed some serious tech into this beast, and we're gonna break it all down for you. From the design to the display, the performance to the camera, we'll cover everything you need to know. So buckle up, tech enthusiasts, because this is gonna be a wild ride. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is a statement piece, crafted from surgical-grade stainless steel and featuring a frosted glass back. It feels reassuringly solid in hand, exuding that premium feel Apple is known for. The camera bump is noticeably larger this year, housing the upgraded camera system we'll discuss later. Despite its size, the phone feels balanced and comfortable to hold. Apple continues its focus on durability with IP68 water and dust resistance. Overall, the iPhone 16 Pro Max boasts a design that's both elegant and robust. Apple has outdone itself with the iPhone 16 Pro Max's display. The 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display is simply stunning, boasting a 120 Hz ProMotion refresh rate for buttery smooth scrolling and animations. Brightness has been significantly improved, reaching a peak brightness of 2500 nits for HDR content. This makes outdoor viewing a breeze, even under direct sunlight. Colors are vibrant and accurate, and the display's sharpness is simply unmatched. Whether you're browsing the web, watching movies, or playing games, the iPhone 16 Pro Max's display will blow you away. Section 4. Performance Unleashed. The A17 Pro chip. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is powered by Apple's latest and greatest A17 Pro chip. This chip is a beast, delivering blazing fast performance and improved power efficiency. Apps launch instantly, demanding games run flawlessly, and multitasking is a breeze. The A17 Pro chip handles everything you throw at it with ease. Battery life has also seen a noticeable improvement thanks to the A17 Pro's efficiency. You can expect all-day battery life even with heavy usage. Section 5. Camera capturing moments in exquisite detail. The iPhone 16 Pro Max's camera system has received a significant upgrade, solidifying its position as one of the best smartphone cameras on the market. The triple lens system captures stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition. The main 48-megapixel wide-angle lens captures incredible detail and dynamic range. The 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens is perfect for landscapes and group shots, while the 12-megapixel telephoto lens offers improved optical zoom capabilities. Apple has also introduced new camera features, including an enhanced cinematic mode for more professional-looking video recording. Whether you're a casual photographer or a seasoned pro, the iPhone 16 Pro Max's camera will impress. Section 6. Software and User Experience. iOS 18 takes center stage. The iPhone 16 Pro Max runs on Apple's latest operating system, iOS 18. iOS 18 introduces a host of new features and improvements, further enhancing the user experience. New customization options, enhanced privacy features, and improved performance make iOS 18 a joy to use. Apple's ecosystem integration remains unmatched, with seamless connectivity between the iPhone, iPad, and Mac. The overall software experience is smooth, intuitive, and polished, making the iPhone 16 Pro Max a pleasure to use on a daily basis. Section 7. Conclusion, the ultimate flagship experience. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is a true flagship smartphone pushing the boundaries of what's possible in a mobile device. Its stunning design, incredible display, blazing fast performance, and exceptional camera make it one of the best smartphones on the market. If you're looking for the ultimate flagship experience and money is no object, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is worth every penny. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to GadgetVox for more in-depth tech reviews. Peace out.